Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Kodo millet is one of India's traditional grains and it has numerous benefits. In today's recipe, we're going to see how to make a light, flavorful and wholesome upma. This is a perfect way to start the day on a balanced note. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of Kodo millet, which is about 250 ml. First, wash the millet and soak it for about 30 minutes. I will be making this upma in a pressure cooker. Kodo millet takes a bit longer to cook, but when made in the pressure cooker, it will turn out perfectly. To start, just add a tablespoon of ghee into the cooker. Once the ghee is hot, add a teaspoon of chana dal, a teaspoon of urud dal, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter, then toss in some finely chopped onions, a few green chilies. Adjust the heat according to your preference. The onions should turn golden and fragrant. Add a small piece of ginger. Now add a handful of curry leaves and mix everything together. Now let's bring in some veggies. Add 1 cup of grated carrot, 1 cup of chopped beans, and if you've got some fresh peas, you can add those too. These veggies are packed with fiber, minerals and proteins, perfect for a healthy start to your day. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it all a good mix. The spices and ghee make the aroma so inviting. Now add the soaked kodo millet to the cooker. For 1 cup of millet, add 1.5 cups of water. When you measure the millet, use the same cup for both the millets and water. That way everything cooks perfectly and your upma will turn out nice and fluffy. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium flame until the pressure builds up and cook for about 1 whistle. After that, wait for the steam to release. This will take about 10 minutes. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and there you have it. Your Kodo millet upma is perfectly soft and fluffy. Garnish it with some chopped coriander and pair it with your favorite chutney. This dish is loaded with health benefits and I'm sure you will love it. At the heart of wholesome living lies simple, nourishing meals prepared with care. We hope you enjoy this Kodo millet recipe and savor every bite. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel and share all these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy and stay nourished.